Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. A Hobby Lobby opened up about an hour away from my house, so I jumped on the opportunity of a free day, grabbed a friend, and went shopping. And I am so glad I decided to go because they had a ton of awesome deals. I got all of this decor for under $100. I was really excited because I've been wanting to add some more neutral decor. I like to decorate seasonally, but ever since we moved into this house, I haven't been 100% happy with my everyday decor. So I'm still shopping for everyday decor. This is all just neutral stuff that I got to add to the house to keep up year round. So one of the things I got were some items for a tablescape. I am brand new to the tablescape world, and I've gone on Instagram and Pinterest for a ton of inspiration, and I like to keep it simple, so doing a tablescape was actually kind of tough for me because ever since we've gotten this bigger table, we've just had a table runner, this tray, and every now and then I change up the decor on the tray, but I thought I would go ahead and try my hand at a tablescape. I wanted to get items that I could use year round. I do love to decorate seasonally, like I said, but if I can save myself a little bit of money and maybe just add some seasonal touches, then that is definitely best for me. So I got these woven chargers for about $1 each, and then the white plates that go on top of them were, I'm pretty sure, around $1 or $2 each. They were all on clearance at Hobby Lobby, so it's quite the steal. The white plates are very simple. They have a nice gold rim around it. I love it because I can add different decor and other touches to these simple plates and chargers, so I can use them year round. Searched high and low at Hobby Lobby for something to put in the middle of the table, and I just could not find exactly what I wanted. So I had this marble tray over by my kitchen sink. I thought it was getting cluttered over there anyway, so I just grabbed a couple of things to put here temporarily. I really want to get a Ray Dunn vase or something and put that in the middle, but for now this will do. So this is what it looked like after my Hobby Lobby run. I wanted some smaller plates, but I couldn't find any at Hobby Lobby. But luckily the next day I went to Target, and in their kitchen section they were having a clearance sale also, and they had these cute white plates with like little bead accents on them. I'm pretty sure I got those for $1 each. They're just little appetizer plates, so I put those on top, and I also got a 4-pack of these pink napkins from Hearth and Hand. I'm pretty sure this was $8. I cannot remember the price for the life of me, but it was between $8 and $10. I will find the link for those and link them below. They are really nice cloth napkins, very pretty, and they had so many patterns to pick from. It was hard to choose, but I went ahead with pink since it was nice and summery. I did have a picture from Smallwood Homes here in the middle of the wreaths. It was just of me, Austin, and the dogs, but I thought that was kind of strange to have in the dining room, so I actually ended up moving that picture to the bedroom, and then I got this sign at Hobby Lobby for 50% off. I'm pretty sure this was around $13 or $15. So I just replaced the picture with this sign and moved up the wreaths a little. The sign was smaller than I thought it would be, but this will do for now. I'm sure I'll end up changing this in no time. quick, I want to show off this cute Target find. On Instagram, I saw someone do this. I wish I could remember who did it, but they found this cute utensil caddy in the Target dollar spot. And instead of using it just for utensils, they used it as like a s'mores bar or a s'mores caddy. So you can put your chocolate bars, your marshmallows, your graham crackers in this caddy, and it's nice because you can carry it. It's easy for storage. You can put it on a table, or you can take it, you know, when you go camping or on a picnic or whatever. So I thought this was such a cute idea because I've been needing something to store all of my s'mores stuff in one spot. So this was perfect, and it was only $5. Up next is this new sign I got from Hobby Lobby that I have been wanting for a while. So this is the entryway from my garage. Typically this is where we go in and out, but it's a very narrow space, which makes it difficult to decorate. I can't put a table or a bench or anything here, so it's all wall decor. The welcome to our home sign with the wreath came from Hobby Lobby, and that is in my last video if you want to check that out. I absolutely love that. I also got it 50% off, and that wreath is from Magnolia. So I also got this huge new sign from Hobby Lobby, also 50% off. I never buy anything full price, and if you keep an eye out, Hobby Lobby alternates their wall decor 50% off every other week, and I just love how this turned out. Our patio is finally starting to come together. We got this patio set from Kroger. It was around $450, which is a really good price for a sturdy metal table and a 6-seater. So I've been trying to find a link for that because a few people have asked me for it. I've been having a tough time, but I promise I'll keep looking. I just added some simple patio decor. This tray and lantern both came from Walmart, and then the citronella candle came from Target. It was $6. I will make sure to link everything below. But we get a lot of wind and rain back here, so I keep these stored in the house whenever it's not in use, and then bring it out whenever we are using it. The other day I had the major itch to switch, and I totally switched my bedroom. So this is the guest bedroom, and then the office was in the front of the house, and the front bedroom is a lot bigger, so I decided to make that the guest bedroom. And then what was the guest bedroom is now my office, because one day that will be a nursery, not anytime soon, but I thought we are getting a new bed frame, so I just thought that was the perfect time to go ahead and make the switch. I deep cleaned the carpets, and now both rooms are a wreck, so I'm going to get to those rooms eventually, but I did make the switch, and I am prepared for whatever comes next. And I did do some closet clean outs. I have not really utilized a lot of storage space, so our entire TV stand was totally empty because I just didn't know what to put in there, and we had a bunch of books and games in the closet, and it was just taking up so much space. So I just took all of those out of the closet and organized them in our TV stand for now, because we do play games a lot. I mean, at least a few times a week. So they are easy to grab whenever they're here in the TV stand. And there's plenty of room for more. And then I cleared out probably a shelf and a half in the closet just by clearing out all of this stuff. So I'm trying to learn that it is okay to store things in places where I usually wouldn't. Typically, I wouldn't put books or games in here, but I did, and it's working out perfectly. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I had been talking about this entryway table coming in for a few days. I had a bench here in this entryway, but it wasn't totally my style, and it didn't really match the other entryway decor. So I knew that when this table went on sale, I had to jump on it because it would be perfect for the entryway. It came in around 5 p.m. and it was kind of a bummer because I had spent my entire day just waiting on this table to come in, but I was so happy it came in. It only took about 20 minutes to put together, so with Austin's help, we got it put together quickly, and once that was finished, I cleaned up the floors, dusted off the table, and I was ready to decorate. This picture frame was from Kirkland's. I thought it was super cute and I was trying to keep it there, but it didn't match anything. So I'm probably going to put that in my office, and I'm replacing that picture with a mirror that I got from Hobby Lobby for 50% off. The mirror was around $30 or $40 at 50% off, and I had been wanting one forever, couldn't find one I liked, so I'm glad that I got to snag this one at 50% off. Now time for the fun part, which is to decorate. So this magnolia basket came from TJ Maxx, and I added in a bath towel from Hearth and Hand. I just put that in the basket because it looks cute as a blanket too. The high sign also came from Hobby Lobby, 50% off, so it was around $10. And then the lantern is the one that I use on the patio, but I put it in here whenever I'm not using it outside. The vase and the lamb's ear came from Kirkland's. I got this cute little succulent from Walmart, which I'm hoping will not die. That W also came 50% off at Hobby Lobby, which I will also be using in our wedding. And that is all from my second haul from Hobby Lobby. I am so happy with how all of my decor has turned out. It has added some color and life to my house. Don't forget to subscribe to continue watching more decoration videos. I also provide cleaning motivation, recipes, get it all done with me, and other videos. You can also find me on Instagram for daily life updates, DIYs, and more. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your week. Stay happy, stay healthy. I will see you guys next time.